So why do people with sleep apnea spend less time in deep sleep? Well, it all comes down to your blood oxygen levels. Let's take a look at it in action. So on this particular, only 20 minutes, hardly any deep sleep. And this is what I see time and time again. This little period here is the only time in deep sleep. And what you'll also notice, there's not much REM as well. These are the REM periods here. Check out the blood oxygen levels. It's these great big dips throughout the night. See these great big dips here? Starts off at 98%, nice and high. All of a sudden there's restriction in the upper airway, oxygen levels drop, and at this point here, at 83%, the brain is triggered. It comes out of sleep. That every one of those drops is an interruption to the sleep cycle, the quality of the sleep.